paper has to be completely off the outside box first. Jessie, get it off. All of it. And then you have to wait till your sister's there. Hey, no. Oh yeah, that's not a rule.
Yeah, it is now.
Shut up, Victoria. Victoria, nope, no scissors, no keys. You did not say that. No scissors, no keys. Put them down. You lose whatever it is. You are a cheat. You have to open it by hand. Really, Jessie? Get your toys. Here, baby. That was easy. Really? So that's what Gina is. And it stuck to me. Yes, I told you.
You have to wait on your sister, remember?
Inside of a box. Did I not?
Vickie, you understand? You have to wait on
I
Jessie.
can't get it out of the box. I don't want to wait on her. Too bad. That's lame. And then you have to move the big box out of the way so I can still get pictures. Yeah. So before you open any further, Vickie, you have to move that out of the way. So your sister's got hers unwrapped. Look at that. Clean up. You were wrapping that other night. You have that out. Hey, baby. Do you boxes from your work or something? Woohoo! Woohoo! Wow, my box is all beat up. Hurry up! Shut up!
In fact, I carried the boxes in the house right past y'all and you didn't even notice
Actually,
it.
I did. Get your toy. I just saw it. I saw these boxes the other day.
Okay.
Y'all didn't tape all of it.
Are you ready?
Close enough. Dummies, y'all.
Jessie, go at the bottom.
Oh, yeah. Y'all didn't tape all of it. What is with this box section? I know, that's not good. Jingle. J-I-N-G-I-E bells. You have to wait, Vickie.
Now they can open it still?
Yeah.
You better hurry up, Jessie, or you'll be left in the dust.
Good enough. Oh my god, another freaking... Hey, the thing came off.
Hey, Jessie,
Hold
look
on,
at the
Vickie.
message.
Hold on,
I can't
Vickie.
get it freaking open!
Jessie,
Hold
hurry
on,
up.
Vickie.
Open it.
She's there!
Start opening. Don't drop it.
I just used my mess.
Start opening. Abby's coming out.
You should have had that on record.
I do. Believe me, this will be YouTubed.
I didn't ask for one. I just
Now, your dad already put the glass screen protector on there,
Get down.
So don't try and fill
so that
anything
you
up.
have that. So yeah, there's not a